begin with a story that should enrage every South Indian. No, every Indian in the country, because this is a very, very dangerous movement of pitting one person against another. Raj Thakre is not new to controversies, but now he is stirring dangerous passions that threaten to bring back the violence of the 1960s. A targeted attack on South Indians in Mumbai and Maharashtra. All of it, you know why? Because Annamalai happens to be campaigning in Maharashtra for the BMC polls. It seems to have enraged Raj Thakre so much that he has launched a racist rant against South Indians altogether. Listen into this shocker, and it's time for Tamil Nadu and all of South India and the country to be united against this hate speech.
कोणतरी एक तामिळनाडूमधून रसमलाई आली होती, तो सांगतो मुंबईचा आणि म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राचा संबंध काय, तुझा काय संबंध आहे इथे याचा?
Breaking updates now coming in after these abuses, slurs and sharp attacks from the MNS chief. The BJP leader K. Annamalai has fired back, calling Raj Thakre ignorant and jobless. And Annamalai has questioned the Thakre brother for his statement. Listen into his attack.
ஏங்க வேலை இல்லாமல் ரெண்டு பேர் சுற்றிக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க. அங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆதித்ய தாக்கரே, ராஜ் தாக்கரே இவங்கெல்லாம் யாருங்க? அங்கிருந்து என்னை மிரட்டிக்கிட்டு இருக்கானுங்க. நான் பெருமைப்படுறேன், ஒரு விவசாயினுடைய பையன் இன்னைக்கு தாக்கரேவனுடைய கோபத்தை நான் சம்பாரிச்சிருக்கிறேன். எனக்கே அது ஆச்சரியம்தான். எங்கள் அப்பா படித்தது 10வது, அம்மா படித்தது 6வது. எல்லாம் இத்தனை நாளாக ஆடு மாடு தான் மேய்ச்சிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. இப்போ உடம்பு சரியில்லை, ஆடு மாடு மேய்க்கிறதுல அந்த ஆடு மாட்டை நான் மேய்க்கிறேன். இன்னைக்கு தாக்கரே நேற்று கூட்டம் போட்டு ஆயிரக்கணக்கான நபர்களை போட்டு அந்த ராஜ் தாக்கரே, உத்தவ் தாக்கரே, ஆதித்ய தாக்கரே மேடை போட்டு என்னை அங்கிருந்து திட்டுறானுங்க. அந்த அளவுக்கு நான் வளர்ந்துட்டேன்னா, அந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு விவசாயினுடைய பையன் இன்னைக்கு மும்பையில் அவனுக்கு கூட்டம் போட்டு திட்டுற அளவுக்கு நான் உயர்ந்துட்டேனான்னு தெரியல. அதனால் இந்த பாலா சாஹேப் தாக்கரே அவர்கள் மீது மிகப்பெரிய மரியாதை நான் வைத்திருக்கின்றேன். அதில் எழுதியிருக்கானுங்க, மும்பைக்குள்ள வந்தால் என் காலை வெட்டுவேன், இங்கடிப்பேன். நான் மும்பைக்கு வரத்தான் போகிறேன், நீ இங்கடிச்சு பாரு, காலை வெட்டிப்பார், அதெல்லாம் ரெண்டு ஒன்று பார்த்துடலாம். அதனால் இந்த மிரட்டல் உருட்டுக்கெல்லாம் நான் பயந்துருந்தா ஊரில் உட்காந்து என் கிராமத்துக்குள்ளே சொந்த ஊரில் தான் இருக்கணும்.
Annamalai saying that he is proud to be a farmer's son who has become a political leader and putting the question back at Raj Thakre. But the question still remains on this, and all of this controversy erupted only because Annamalai went on to say that Mumbai is a global city. Here is the remark that seems to have triggered this kind of a backlash.
Here we are looking at the only city in our country where a triple engine Sarkar is possible. Modi ji at the center, Devendra Fadnavis at the state, and the BJP mayor and BMC. Because Bombay is not a Maharashtra city, it is an international city. And this city has got a budget of 75,000 crore, not a small money. Chennai's budget is 8,000 crore. Bangalore is 19,000 crore. You need good people sitting in the administration to manage the finance, to manage development.
So let's talk about why this sets a very, very dangerous precedent and what Raj Thakre is actually talking about. Now, this is a slur that was used in Mumbai previously, and it is very, very important. It was a slur that was used by Balasaheb Thakre in the 60s that led to widespread violence against South Indians. So this is a reminder of the violence that broke out in the 60s, and it's time for even Stalin to take a stance, because this may be directed towards Annamalai, but this sets a very dangerous precedent of violence that can break out against South Indians. We saw that happen in the 60s. There are worries that it could happen again. Let's go across to my colleagues Imran as well as Dharini joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Dharini, the hate that many South Indians received in Mumbai is not new. In the 60s, we saw the kind of violence that broke out. Now, this may be a targeted attack at Annamalai, and he is mocking him, calling Rasmalai and whatnot. But there is a slur that has been used as well, which was used to unleash violence on people who were outside Maharashtra, who had come in to just earn a living. And this is a very grim reminder of that. The question is, will the political parties cutting across the political spectrum take a stance against Raj Thakre for this hate?
Well, It will be definitely interesting to see how representatives from the DMK, ADMK, YCOS, MDMK, and especially the Naam Tamilar Katchi in Tamil Nadu will be taking against this particular statement from Mr. Raj Thackeray. And we just saw what Mr. Annamalai has to say. He hits out at the Thackeray brothers, telling that they are jobless and ignorant, and he also goes on to talk about his humble background. He says that he is the son of a farmer couple. Like his parents, both of them are farmers. His father has studied only till class 10 and his mother has studied only till class 6. So he's from a farming background, and it surprises him that the Thackerays have organized a huge public meeting in Maharashtra to unleash abuses on him, towards him, is the kind of reaction that we are able to get from Mr. K. Annamalai. So let's wait and see how the political parties in Tamil Nadu, especially the political parties that talk so much about Tamil pride and the Tamil language, how they respond to these kinds of remarks from Mr. Raj Thackeray, which are highly questionable.
All right. You know, there are leaders in Tamil Nadu who make these statements time and again, and they invoke Tamil pride. But will that Tamil pride really disappear because it is Raj Thackeray? Because if it was a leader from the BJP who had made this statement, you would have the reactions coming in even from the Chief Minister. Why the silence now? That's a question. We are keeping a track of every reaction that is coming in on the same, looking at whether there will be a reaction that comes in from the political parties